My favorite chia almond pudding. I've soaked few almonds and I'm going to make the milk out of it by peeling off the skin and adding some water. You can use any vegan milk of your choice, and I'm blending it with water, and my almond milk is ready. Now I'm going to add chia seeds to this. So when you're adding chia seeds, add chia seeds, mix it very nicely, wait for 5 minutes, and there'll be some seeds which are not, mixed very nicely. So stir it again. So you have to stir it 2 times with a gap of 5 minutes and keep it in the refrigerator. This is what I have, very thick. And to this I'm going to add maple syrup, any sweetener of your choice. And I'm going to serve this with fruits. So I have strawberries. Take any fruits of your choice. Since we're using vegan milk, any fruits goes with the vegan milk. So I'm going to serve it with a layer of chia seeds and fruits. So here I have strawberries. I'm going to add some raisins to give extra iron boost.